Internet of Things, IoT. Where can you use IoT in companies? We already discussed several applications of IoT. But let us look at some common usages of IoT in manufacturing companies. Collecting performance data from machines. Every company would have many machines that may be having a PLC, and there may be some information that is already being collected. For example, a machine may collect data about running time, idle time, major malfunctions, and so on. It is quite possible that these machines may not be storing this information. They may be keeping the information for a day or two, and then this information may be overwritten. First thing that companies can do is to get this information to a computer and use it for calculating the performance data of the machine. The operator may have to enter details like quality defects, reasons for downtime, and so on. Then, you can have continuous data about the performance of the machine. In case you need more performance data, then you can put more sensors to the machines and collect more information. For example, if you want to collect the vibration data of a motor or temperature data of a pump, etc., you may want to fix respective sensors and collect data to a computer directly. This will give you additional information that you may use in predictive maintenance. Monitoring the assets that are moving around. Companies can monitor the assets like forklifts and other material handling equipment and their usage. How long are they idle? How much weight they were carrying, and so on. This can help the companies to decide whether they need more of those machines and how to use them more optimally. Monitoring the official cars. If a company wants to understand the usage of its cars and the engagement of the drivers, it can use the IoT to monitor the cars, their usage, and identify the improvements that can be done. Monitoring the patterns and dies. Usually the patterns and dies are costly ones, and they may be carried to many parts of the factories while under usage and for repairs. It would be useful to have RFID chips in these patterns and dies. That will help in monitoring their location, and it will help in taking periodical inventories too. Monitoring the product of the company. The finished product of the company can be monitored using barcodes/RFID chips. The inventory taking of the products will be easier, and the location also can be tracked continuously. The monitoring can go on right up to the last mile, till it is sold by the retailer to the customer. There can be a lot of data in this movement of the products from the factory to the end customer. Plant maintenance support. The employees in companies keep changing due to attrition. In functions like maintenance, it can be troublesome to train the newcomers on a continuous basis. It would be very useful to have some tools to support the newcomers. The company can prepare videos illustrating how to do all major repairs. These videos can be made available on reading a QR code. These QR codes may be put on the machine concerned. These QR codes can be used to teach the employees about how to repair and also how it works. This can be used by employees other than maintenance employees too. After sales service support. The machines that the company sells to the customers can be monitored by the company, and its performance can be analyzed. This can be used for improving the design of the machine, and it can also be used for alerting the customer about when to replace the consumables. Monitoring the movement of employees. For various works, the employees would be moving in the factory office. You can use the video technology and RFID chips that may be put into the ID cards of employees to analyze the movement of employees and improve their productivity by re-engineering the activities and facilities. There can be many other applications of IoT in any company. Employees need to be creative to identify the applications. How to start? You should start by having big goals that you need to achieve in terms of productivity, customer service, etc. You should start by having big goals that you need to achieve in terms of productivity, customer service, etc. Use it to achieve your goals. The goals should be lofty enough to make you look for technology solutions.